Well, a fight in Hartford could end up affecting your pocketbook. Democrats and Republicans are facing off over proposed tax cuts. Well, it all started with Republicans attempting to steal the governor's thunder. And now all of those income tax hikes from 2 years ago are producing what's expected to be a hefty surplus. Chief political correspondent Mark Davis takes a closer look.
We're looking at about just shy of $1 billion in excess revenue over the next year or two fiscal years.
With their eyes on the prize, the hearts of Connecticut voters, Republicans are the first to propose that tax cuts be enacted in this election year. They want to bring back the $50 exemption in the state's sales tax on clothing and footwear starting April 1st, meaning any clothing and footwear under $50 would be tax-free. They also want to eliminate the sales tax on over-the-counter drugs like cold remedies and things like aspirin and other minor pain relievers. In addition to these, they want to eliminate what's called the special assessment tax on business.
To relieve every business in the state of Connecticut, especially the small businesses, the hundreds of thousands of small businesses, from receiving that bill in July.
It has been broadly speculated that when the governor delivers his election year State of the State address in less than 2 weeks, he will also suggest some sort of tax cut because of that surplus, and today reminded reporters that Republicans had been questioning if there really was a surplus.
Just a couple of days ago, these are the same Republicans who were doubting that we had the ability to do that. I will speak to those issues between now and February 5th, I can assure you.
We're open to things that help working families across the state who've been struggling in the hard times of the national recession.
After over 30 years of covering the state capitol, there's one thing I can tell you. If somebody over there is talking about tax cuts and it's an election year, chances are pretty good there's going to be some sort of tax cut. From the Hartford Newsroom, Mark Davis, News 8.